Hello, my name is Jack from Stafford Audi, and today I'm going to be taking you around this Audi approved used vehicle. So the vehicle featured today is this approved used Audi A1 Sportback Sport 30 TFSI with the 6-speed manual transmission. Now this particular example is also finished in the Cortina white paintwork, which has really give it that standout appearance. Moving on now to the fantastic key features. With this being the sports model, it does mean the A1 benefits from the additional sports styling such as the front bumper and rear bumper, and also the side profile. Moving on now to the exterior key features, we do find these fantastic LED headlights which are perfect for visibility in every weather condition. Moving down towards the alloys now, we find these 16-inch 10-spoke turbine design alloys in which do complement the white paintwork and offer a fantastic ride quality. Moving into the rear boot space now of the A1 Sportback, where we do find up to 335 litres of storage space. It's a large amount for a smaller hatchback of this size. This can easily accommodate one carry-on case as well as a few additional bags. Moving into the rear seats, we find a two-tone cloth interior with the sports texture in the centre of the seats. Furthermore, there is the Isofix points which are neatly located across the back row, as well as aluminium trims which should carry on into the rear of the cabin, where there's more than enough leg space to accommodate two occupants in the rear. Moving into the front now, we find a very well designed and luxurious cabin with a large amount of plush material such as leather, plastics, cloth and aluminium. With this being the sports specification, it does mean you get these sporty seats with the iconic light grey stripes and also that textured pattern. Above now, we find the virtual cockpit, in which is featured these two digital rev counters, and the subordinate screen in the centre can also access relevant information such as the telephone connectivity. Now moving towards the centre of the dashboard, we find this fantastic MMI touchscreen, which is allow access to Apple CarPlay and Android Auto as well. Further down from this, we do also find 3 useful cup holders for the front occupants, which is perfect for those longer drives. So this vehicle does come with a minimum of 12 months warranty and a minimum of 12 months roadside assistance. For more information or to book a test drive, do give us a call now on 01785 899 417.